Hey, welcome back to part 2 of this beautiful 3 BHK home tour. If you missed part 1, no worries. Just click the link in the description to catch up. Let's dive back in.
The son's room is most fun and energetic space of the house. We have kept in mind his love for football. Do you want to know the highlight of the room? This custom-made messy wallpaper that makes study area personal and yet inspiring. Study zone includes wall-mounted desk, book rack for the functionality, plus we have incorporated glass shutters for his trophies. The sliding wardrobe here has maximum storage, which is going from flooring till the ceiling. We have incorporated high gloss laminate along with the matte laminate, combining it with the anodized silver profile. Adding to the charm, we have separate mirror which is on the back panel of the wardrobe. The standout feature here is this bed back wall, where flutes are meeting waves, enhanced by the subtle indirect lighting. Having a playful yet organized space that grows with the child is enchanting. This daughter's bedroom is a pastel dream come true. Everything here revolves around her love for soft hues. This vertical wave board paired with tropical wallpaper brings in the charm, while this LED lighting brings a magical glow. This queen-size bed for our princess is designed in such a way that it has a hydraulic lift-up storage. We have paired it with a wall-mounted dressing unit which also has hidden space behind. The sleek wardrobe made with anodized silver profile combines functionality with style, while we have the study area on the opposite side of the bed. Study area is designed in such a way that we have series of drawers which are wall mounted. Plus, we have combined it with a tall storage rack in which she can keep all her books. A harmonious design tailored to her preferences without compromising on practicality.
So we had gone through this similar kind of a journey. But yes, specific to Mumbai, because Mumbai, if you see the size of the flat per se is very small. So what we wanted is enough storage, that is one. Second, we have a lot of books, thanks to ma'am in our home. So we wanted places to keep the books as well.
Yeah, right.
But when I came in, everything was like small details have been touched upon. It's not ignored.
It's like you enter towards the east, we pray towards the east.
Right.
So this is unique for us. It will always stay with us. The other thing, with the wooden flooring that we have, it gives a unique kind of a thought process of entering into a hotel.
Correct.
So
A cozy space.
Yeah, cozy space. And you will see a small kettle there in the room. It's just giving a memory of how you enter into a hotel.
What I feel unique, different is there's so many thoughts. Like for example, I think this horse thing coming in, there is meaning to each decor. So I can see that very much visible. Like these plants and all, which is something, to be very honest, there is lots of newness, which probably at our age group, we might not be so aware or updated. So I can say there are lots of updating from our whatever benchmark he has, उससे एक और level high हुआ है because of all this.
And I think this is one of the unique designs in all the samples that we saw through. This is one of the unique designs and one of the reasons that many people are coming here to look at this.
Yes. Each corner of this home tells a story of thoughtful designs, solving everyday design challenges while elevating the aesthetics of the space. We hope you love this home tour as much as we love designing this home for Mr. Binu and his family. Stay tuned for more such design inspirations. It was a pleasure taking you around this home tour as the interior designer of the space. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do watch our channel for more such videos. This is me, Vaishnavi, signing off.